everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a turkey breakfast sausage. This is classic sausage flavors in a ground turkey, minced turkey meat. You can do this one in the oven, which is what I do in this video, or you can fry them in a skillet as well if you prefer. They are super fast to put together. It takes like less than 5 minutes to mix it all together and put it on the tray. And then baking it, if you bake it, it takes about 20 minutes or so in the oven. If you fast fry it, it takes about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and you can get a bunch in a skillet. I just did about a pound here in this video, but this is great for batch cooking, and it's great for freezing as well. So if you want to do a big like meal prep and have it for several days in the week, it's great for that. Or if you just want to make a huge batch of them and stick them in the freezer for future, it's great for that. So really good, easy, quick meal. And we use these like you would any other breakfast sausage, but I often have them as snacks too. So if I'm having a snack or an easy lunch, I'll do that in some salad or something like that, and it's a great little protein to kind of grab and go. So I hope you guys like these as much as we do. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Hey everyone, we are back with a turkey breakfast sausage. Let's do a quick taste test. I like this breakfast sausage a lot. It reminds me the most of, processed is probably a bad word, but like the store-bought like patties. So if you were gonna do like a breakfast sandwich, this would be perfect. It's a little denser than if you did it with pork or beef, and it's kind of, because I think the grain is quite small, or like it's ground quite thin, so it's more compact of a sausage, and the flavorings are just great. If you want it to be even more flavorful, you can add a little herbamere, which is delicious in this recipe as well, or you can just sprinkle a little on top when you're ready to eat it. I'm gonna go enjoy this with my breakfast actually today, and I hope that you make this one, and I hope you like it as much as we do. All right, everybody, see you in the next video.